5 Best Cordless Vacuum for Pet Hair on Hardwood Floors Reviews. Number 1. Dyson Ball Animal 2. Dyson Ball Animal 2 has one of the strongest suction head made ever. Its powerful suction head is perfect for tough tasks. Self-adjusting feature in it helps to vacuum across hardwood, tile, carpet and vinyl floors. Whole machine filtration of the vacuum ensures that the allergens trapped inside are not able to expel back to the house. Ball Animal 2 has a wand and long-reach flexible hose that helps to vacuum under any furniture as well as the top of the wall. It comes with a tangle-free turbine tool that helps to remove pet hair from upholstery, carpets and hardwood floors without any trouble. Pushing a button, you can easily empty the bin without touching the dust can or any dirt. It comes with 3 different tools, e.g. stair tool, combination tool and tangle-free turbine tool. Number 2. Shark WV201. Shark WV is a handheld vacuum that comes with a brushless and high-speed motors. This high-speed motor in it helps to generate very strong suction power. It weighs only 1.4 pounds, which has made it easily movable. Shark WV201 comes with a dust cup with the capacity of 0.08 quarts. It has 2 different cleaning heads. One is for vacuuming upholstery and tight areas and the other one is for dealing with pet fur. For picking up large debris and fine dust without any trouble, it has tapered nozzle. WV201 comes with a charging dock which has the feature of fast charging. This feature keeps the vacuum always ready for work. A lithium-ion battery is provided with the vacuum which is required to run it. Can be used anytime for the fast charging dock. Number 3. Dyson V11 Animal. V11 Animal is by far the most intelligent and powerful cordless vacuum from Dyson. Its suction power is twice as stronger than average cordless vacuums. Its advanced whole machine filtration allows trapping 99.99% of dust, particles and allergens up to 0.3 microns. It is engineered specially for large houses with pets. Dyson V11 comes with a powerful mini motorized tool for capturing pet hair from hardwood floors and carpets. Number 4. MOOSOO Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Weighing only 2.84 pounds, MOOSOO MK17 is an efficient cordless vacuum for houses with pets. It can be used on different surfaces such as carpets, hardwood floors, vinyl, tile etc. Its washable 4-stage HEPA filter ensures the capture of 99.99% of the microscopic dust. It has 2 different power modes. 11 kPa is for standard power mode and 23 kPa suction is for maximum power. MOOSOO MK17 can be converted into a handheld vacuum within a few seconds. The full box comes with main body, wall mount for charging and storing, LED electric floor head, crevice nozzle, stretchable hose, lightweight aluminium tube and a cleaning brush. Easy to assemble and unclog for cleaning any part. Number 5. APOSEN Multifunctional 4-in-1 Cordless Vacuum. APOSEN Multifunctional 4-in-1 is a high-performance cordless vacuum cleaner for thoroughly cleaning any floor, carpet, furniture or the ceiling of the house. Its powerful motor helps to generate a suction power up to 10,000 PA. Built-in 6x3.7V new type lithium battery helps with a run time of 35 minutes. The battery is removable so you can charge it separately or buy a new one. The whole APOSEN Multifunctional 4-in-1 cordless vacuum set comes with motorized cleaner head, main motor, battery pack, adapter, round brush, cleaning brush, long flat nozzle, accessory bracket, removable metal rod and a wall-mounted docking station. Easy to use and move as it weighs only 2.8 pounds.